You are watching Cage, the future recording artist. Watching Thomas and Friends. And you are watching our katulong. Our katulong at home. Just kidding. Love ya. Let's go back to the recording artist. Say hi to the fans, Cage. Oh, you see me? And who's that?
Who's coming?
Who's coming?
The beautiful girl.
Say hi to your fans. You see me?
In the dark of night, as the moon shines bright, I was looking to
1 minute lang, 1 minute. Mama.